Yeah, so I come to the Discovery Day for TM in April, end of April. My first academy was June. And the reason I initially joined was to free up some time. I was working all the hours, bank balance wasn't going up, standard things really. So just needed to have a bit more guidance really on running the business. Back then it was just a busy fool. So running around, trying to do everything, fitting bathrooms still myself, being on the tools. Yeah, so the burnout's real, you know. I was up at 7, out ready to go. Coming home for an hour, seeing my son, and then back in front of the laptop till kind of half 10, 11. So within 3 weeks of coming to the Discovery Day, I was off the tools, worth every penny. The main one for me was Movina. I spent about an hour and a half with Movina on one of the social days that you put on, just talking about business, struggles and where things were with myself. From there I managed to get on the one-to-ones with Chris. I've set my own goals and I keep them in my head, but with Chris, we've managed to set things down. We've smashed every target before what we've said. Having that in place has been good, and hopefully this time in a couple of months I'll be more of a management supervision sort of role, so completely off the face of things.